All right, it is Thursday. I think I may have said Tuesday a few minutes ago. It is Thursday. And that means we have a vet on hand here to answer your pet questions. We have Dr. Joe Landers here today, as always, and he's brought along Bandit. This
is Bandit. He is a great little dog here. He's about 7 months old. He is, we're calling him a Havanese. Who knows? There's a genetic test, but but yeah, he sure kind of looks like it, and he sure is just a nice dog. I'm not sure why we named him Bandit. He should be named Fluffy. He is not as big as he looks. When he's kind of wet here, he's only about 20 pounds or so. He's only going to get to 25 or so, or 30 pounds or so. But he's just the nicest dog. I've yet to hear him bark. I'm just kind of waiting.
Dog, yeah.
He is a quiet dog. I've been waiting for him in the kennels to bark or something. And you know, you can do whatever you want with this hair. I'm trying not to let it fly away all over the place. But
where can we find Bandit?
I'm sorry, he's over at Heritage, which is 918-627-8575, or animalaid.org on the net, or we can call the adoption center as well, the 794-6688. There we go.
There you go. We have some questions for you today,
yes,
as always, and our first question is from Carla. She asks, my Beagle is losing its fur. At first I thought it was mange, but my other two dogs have no issue with losing fur. Any idea what could be causing this dog to lose its hair?
Yeah, it's starting to be allergy season. I'm not sure how old her Beagle is, but that's a common deal. And the other deal that's coming back, amazingly, are fleas and ticks. And they're coming here a little bit earlier this year than they have. And so she needs to kind of check a little bit, because not every dog will lose hair from fleas and ticks. And then also kind of check for allergies and other deals. It certainly could be mange, unfortunately. There's a type of mange that, you know, just one will get, not the others. So she probably needs to have that checked, especially if it's getting real bald and where you can't, you know, see any hair and just the skin. So
okay, so could be serious depending on how bad it is.
Could be. It probably ought to check.
Our next question is from Patricia. She asks, how do you get a 1.5-year-old Jack Russell to quit peeing on his favorite dining room fabric chair?
I would move the chair out of there.
Move it out of the house.
And then not allow him access to that room. I'm actually being kind of half serious, because sometimes he'll, for whatever reason, claim or try to mark their territory. Well, you kind of do avoidance. You also want to, you want to reprimand him if you catch him, obviously. You want to take away that, possibly. Sometimes they'll go on something else. And the other deal is kind of go back to basic crate training, excuse me. A lot of times they will the Jack Russells can be kind of hard-headed about stuff. And so you've got to be, very persistent and get that under control, because, sometimes that can get out of hand.
Sure. So. All right. Well, thank you, Dr. Joe.
You bet.
And again, if you would like to adopt Bandit here, you can call the Adoption Center at 918-794-6688. And if you want to learn more about Heritage Animal Hospital, see other pets who need homes, or watch the segment again, go to our website, kjrh.com. Thanks again.
You bet.